That is a good question. That is an excellent question, Chad. So when we think about advertising, think about the way advertising used to work, maybe before even now. Like if you're watching TV and you see an Outsurance advert, do you immediately like pick up the phone and start calling Outsurance straight away? You don't, because I mean, those ads are just always playing in the background. Same thing with maybe an ad where you're walking down the street and maybe you see a billboard and it's maybe for new real estate houses that they're building in Cape Town. You like, okay, it's okay. I see it's nice, but it's not like you're gonna pick up the phone and call. The main difference between Google Ads and Instagram, LinkedIn, maybe Facebook ads as well, is while you're scrolling, they show you pictures, things that you can buy. Okay, so you're scrolling, you're seeing your friends' wedding photos, then you're scrolling, you're reading this girl you like's status, and then you're still scrolling, and then there's an ad. Now the ad could be something like a new earphone, a new set of headphones maybe, or maybe a new mouse, or maybe a new laptop, but they're not sure that you're actually the right person to buy that thing. Okay, they're not sure at all. They're just showing you stuff, hoping that something might catch your interest. Okay. The big difference with Google Ads is you're searching for the thing you want already.
Awesome.
So if I go on Google Ads and I'm searching for a Nike sneaker, Air Force One, a white Air Force One, that means, number one, I really want that sneaker. Number two, I probably have the money if I'm searching Google for it. Number three, I'm about to buy that sneaker, whether it's on Google or if I have to go to the store. That's the main difference from Google Ads from all the other different types of ads is we're giving people things that they want, but only when they want it, only when they're searching for it and they need it the most. And that's why people buy off of Google search all the time, because if you're searching for an electrician, you want an electrician. If you're searching for a plumber, you want a plumber. No one just goes on Google and starts typing in, I need an electrician, and then doesn't need an electrician. Nobody does that.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? But on exactly. But on Facebook, they might show you ads for something that you're completely not interested in. Google, you always know the customer is interested.
No, that's awesome. So your leads are always hot, basically, with Google Ads type of thing.
Yeah. Well, I won't say your leads are always hot, but you have a far higher chance of getting a sale on Google than any other platform.
Okay. Okay.
If you guys are looking for any corporate branding such as logos, business cards, and more, please contact us on our website www.astrodesigns.co.za. If you would like to check out some of our work, don't be afraid to visit our Instagram page or our Facebook page.